Hey, guess what I got here? The Osmo Pocket. Now the cool thing about this is a camera, it's a video camera. But the main reason why I was so interested in getting this is because it's a camera and gimbal all in one unit. Now a gimbal is going to give you those steady shots. It's just a really cool thing to have when you're trying to produce like what I'm hoping is going to look like professionally made videos. Alright, so let's dig into the box here. Try not to shake because I'm a little nervous with this knife. And this being, for me, this was an expense. This isn't something that I normally, see, like there I go. I don't normally spend a whole lot of money on things. If you've watched my channel, you'll know that I tend to like put $1 investment into each video maximum. So this was way more than that. Here we go. So, Osmo Pocket. Alright, so they got everything in here real snug. I don't know if you can see, it looks like there's probably a manual right there. I'm guessing this is the camera. This might be a charger or something. Oh wow, that box is real tiny. So yeah, this has to be the camera because I know it's not that small. But here it comes. This is a tiny camera though. Alright, so let me get it out of the plastic bag here. Oh wait, feels like there's more. Oh okay, it comes in a little like carrying case. That's cool. Okay, so I probably should have paid more attention to the videos because I think they did mention that it came with one of those, but that's nice. That means I could like have it in my pocket. I was worried about that because everybody kept calling it a pocket camera, and I was thinking, well, if I just put it in my pocket, is there a chance that it could get damaged? Because as you can see, there's the camera itself. It's really small, delicate little thing. But now that I know that I'll have this with me, I can just put it in my pocket if I want to. So here we are. Here's our camera lens right there. It looks like everything came with its, own protection for being shipped and everything. So I guess we'll start with removing the piece off of the lens. There's our tiny little lens right there. This thing shoots, I believe it shoots in 4K. We'll take a look at what the manual says, but yeah, I mean, it's amazing what this little guy is supposed to be able to do. Let's see, what do I do? Remove before powering on. Oh, okay. So I guess that was just to stabilize it in the packaging. As you can see, it moves pretty freely now that I've got that little piece off there. And here's our screen protector. Ooh, got the little DJI logo up there. So this is what I'll be looking at. Here's my screen, and I believe it is touchscreen. And here's the camera. So the camera will be, looking at stuff, away from me, and I'll be doing everything on here. And here in this little area, I believe is where you can put a little adapter, and that adapter will allow you to connect it to your smartphone, and then you can use the larger screen of your smartphone to control this camera. And it's supposed to give you some additional functionality as well. So I'm wondering if that's what comes in this little box. But here's our button controls. Here's my little slot for my micro SD card. Yeah, oh man, I'm super excited about this. So let me next move on to this box. Let's see what kind of goodies DJI included with this. Okay. Well, it looks like, what is that, a power cord? Either a power cord or a lanyard or both. Yeah, that's my power cord, it looks like. Let me get these screen protector pieces out of the way. Here's that adapter piece that I was talking about. So you connect it to that little slot that I removed earlier on the back of the camera, just underneath the screen. And this looks like it is a USB type C. I don't know how well you can see it in the bag, but I don't want to take that out right now because I'm afraid to lose it. And then here's a lanyard. So I guess this would, I don't even know if I'm going to use this. I don't put this on all of my cameras, and I don't really see where to connect it at. But that's our unboxing of this. So next is to power it on and start shooting with it. So yay. Yeah.